everyone. Welcome back to English Coffee Time, your daily American English besties. I'm Emma.
And I'm Neo. We're so happy you're here with us today.
If you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button right now. Tap the bell for notifications and give this video a quick like. It takes 2 seconds and really helps us keep making these super long episodes every single day.
Seriously, come back tomorrow and every day after. Fresh conversations daily make us your English routine.
Grab something to drink, get comfy, because today's episode is huge. We're talking about shopping and buying things in English. Grocery stores, clothing stores, online shopping, returns, asking for help, prices, Black Friday chaos, everything. Let's go. Okay, Neo, real question first. Where do you actually do most of your shopping?
Honestly, 70% online, 30% late-night Target runs. I'm the guy who adds 30 random things to the cart at 2 a.m. and wakes up to 15 packages.
Same. Amazon is dangerous for me. Last week, I went on for a phone case and left with a new lamp, 3 candles, and a rice cooker I definitely don't need. Let's start with the easiest and most common situation, a big American grocery store. Imagine we just walked in. The first thing you usually hear is,
Hi, welcome in. Do you need a cart today?
super simple answers. Yes, please. No thanks, just a basket. I'm good, thanks. The next thing employees love to say is, let me know if you need help finding anything.
Perfect moment to practice the magic question. Excuse me, where can I find the milk, the bread, the bathroom?
Works 100% of the time, and everybody is happy to help.
Another common one when something is on a high shelf.
Could you grab that for me, please? Or can you reach that?
People are usually super nice and do it with a smile.
Let's do a quick, full grocery store role play so you can hear the rhythm. I'll be the customer. Neo is the employee.
Hi, do you need a cart today?
No thanks, just a basket is fine.
Cool. Let me know if you need help finding anything.
Actually, yes, where can I find the peanut butter?
Aisle 7, right in the middle, next to the jelly.
Perfect, thank you so much.
No problem. Have a great one. Now let's move to clothing stores. Totally different energy. The second you walk in, you usually hear,
Hi, welcome in. Let me know if you need a fitting room or any sizes.
classic question, are you looking for anything specific today?
Best answers are, just browsing, thanks. Or, yeah, I'm looking for black jeans. Or, do you have this in a medium? Or, I'm looking for something like this but cheaper. Fitting room English, super useful. Can I try these on?
How many items?
5.
Here's a room for you. Let me know if you need different sizes.
When you come out, how did everything work out? Answers. This one fits perfectly. It's a little big. Small. Do you have this in a smaller size? I'm gonna keep looking, thanks.
Returning things, the moment everyone gets nervous about. In the US, it's actually really easy. You go to customer service and say,
Hi, I'd like to make a return, please.
I bought this yesterday and I need to return it.
Here's my receipt. If you lost the receipt, I don't have the receipt. Is that okay? Most big stores will still give you store credit.
Online shopping English. We all live there now. Common messages you see.
Your order has shipped, out for delivery, delivered to mailbox, left at front door.
When something goes wrong. It says delivered, but I never got it. This isn't what I ordered. I need to cancel an order.
Let's do a full Target run role play because Target is life.
Hi, welcome to Target.
Do you need a cart?
Yes, please, the big one.
Here you go.
Excuse me, where are the candles?
Aisle H10, all the way in the back.
Thank you.
Finding everything okay?
Actually, do you have this shirt large?
Let me check. Yes, I have one right here.
Perfect. And can I try it on?
Fitting rooms are right over there. At checkout and return.
Hi, I have a return too.
No problem. Do you have the receipt?
Right here.
All set. Here's your refund. Have a great day.
You too.
Price and discount questions you can use everywhere. How much is this? Is this on sale? Do you have any coupons or discounts today? Can you price check this for me?
Bargaining? In normal stores, almost never. But at flea markets, garage sales, or some small shops, you can try, would you take $15 for this? Is this your best price? I'll give you $20 cash right now.
Asking for gift wrap or bags.
Do you have gift bags?
Can you gift wrap this?
Do you need a bag?
No thanks, I brought my own. Or, yes, please. Pharmacy/drugstore English, super common. I'm looking for pain reliever.
Do you have something for allergies?
Where's the sunscreen? Electronics store, Apple store style. I'm just looking at the new iPhone.
Do you have this case in black?
Can I see the MacBook Air? Farmer's Market English plus light bargaining. These tomatoes are $3 a pound.
They look amazing. Would you do 2 pounds for $5?
Sure. For you, $5. Black Friday big sale chaos phrases. Do you have any more of these in stock?
Is this the final price?
Where's the line for checkout? Thrift store treasures. How much for this jacket?
$5. Everything is half off today.
Sold. One more full role play, online return in store. Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, I ordered this online and I need to return it.
Do you have the order number?
Yes, right here on my phone.
Perfect. Would you like a refund or store credit?
Refund to my card, please.
All done. Anything else today?
Nope, thank you so much.
Quick, rapid fire, useful phrases, one last time. Just hear them naturally. Just browsing, thanks.
Do you have this in a medium?
Can I try these on?
I'd like to make a return.
Is this on sale?
Could you grab that for me?
Excuse me, where can I find?
I'll take it.
Homework time. We want every single person watching to answer this in the comments. What is the one thing you bought recently, big or small, that made you really happy? And why? We'll read and reply to as many as we can.
Yes, drop your answer below. We can't wait to hear your stories. That's it for this absolutely massive shopping episode. We hope next time you walk into any store, you feel 100% ready.
If you made it to the end, you're a legend. Please give us a huge thumbs up, leave your homework answer in the comments, and most importantly, hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss tomorrow's conversation.
Brand new episodes every single day. Make us your daily English addiction.
See you tomorrow, same time, same place.
Bye, everyone.